Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the bobbin area out of your sewing machine. So make sure you like and comment and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos coming up. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove these two screws here. The thing you got to do is take these two screws out. This had sat for so long out in the weather I actually had to use a ratchet on it. If you have one that's really stuck, I got this ratchet set at O'Reilly's for $14. This is what I use to break any tight screws with. But anyway, you take this plate out like that, okay? This area in here sometimes builds up with material, okay? It's just little teeny tiny threads. You've got one back here, the same thing. This area back in here, I just take and go out like that. Break everything up, get it out. But this one's not too bad. Then you just take a toothbrush and you scrub it out through here like this. And that cleans all that old oil, grime, and all that stuff out of there. Okay? The bobbin, like this. You pull this thing up and grab it and pull it out. You take your bobbin out. You're going to check this area through here. Right in there. Make sure there's no lint. You can either knock it out with the screwdriver, or you can just take a brush and run through like and get extra lint out. So all you gotta do is replace your screws and just screw them back in like this. Replace your plate, and you're done. And that's all there is to it. Stay tuned for more videos coming up here and over here. See you next time, guys.